Persicaria, amplexicaulis, Alba. This is a good, strong growing, large clump forming perennial. Hello, Rosie Hardy from Hardy's Cottage Garden Plants. This is Persicaria, amplexicaulis, Alba. There are plenty of Persicarias in the amplexicaulis range. This one I think is one of the most elegant. It has narrow, fine stems up to these beautiful flowers at the top here. Sometimes the flower is out at the bottom, sometimes it's at the top. Always looking good, always a lot of flower on there, but a see-through plant. It has much smaller leaves than a lot of its cousins. So the leaf is a really good, long, narrow shape, and it holds itself lower down within the plant itself. I find this one doesn't tend to make such large clumps as other amplexicaulis types, and it is really quite a good plant for the middle of the border, maybe slightly forward if you're feeling adventurous and you want to put something a bit bigger there that you have to look around. Because again, this has this effect of being see-through right the way through the plant itself. Now, your flowers that are out up here are going on and carrying on, and then they have flower buds lower down here which are going to come out off the stem, but also lower down in the plant itself are more flowers to come through. So it has a succession of these wonderful candles coming out and looking really, really good. White is a fantastic colour in the border. It will highlight and show off other plants that are around. If you've enjoyed the video on that particular plant, why not visit our website, hardysplants.co.uk. There you can buy the plant and maybe browse many other varieties which you will be able to put into your garden.